Hello all, welcome back to day 3 of this series. I mentioned earlier that I will be increasing the level of difficulty from day 3. The problems we will see from day 3 are almost similar to the level of problems they will be testing in the competition. If you compare the math concepts tested or provided at a high school and the concepts that are tested in this competition, you can see that these competition problems are way ahead, way tougher, way in-depth compared to the concept tested at high school level. Knowing this level of math is important for one reason. The most and foremost reason is to avoid dropout. Most of the students I talk to, they are used to very simple level of math and simple level of concept taught at high school. But once they go to university, they will find it very difficult to adjust, very difficult to understand. So having early exposure, even before you go to university, will help you to have a very good experience at university. Not only that, in the next coming 40 days, I will be introducing to you all the concepts that are tested in this exam. If you follow this channel and if you follow this series very carefully, hopefully some of you will win scholarships to some of the university courses. And isn't that great? Studying with a scholarship and not depending on parents for paying your fee. That's the aim of this channel. The aim of this channel is to transition high school students, middle and high school students, expose them to advanced math and prepare them to do very well in universities. Unfortunately, that is missing in high school level classes these days. By following my channel, you should be able to get the best level of concepts, the best mathematics that keeps you ahead of the competition. Thank you. We will again go and look at the problem that we have to solve today. Okay, what do we have today? Today we have a question related to number theory. We have an equation. On the left side, a number is missing, a number t. That's what we need to figure out. On the right side, a digit is missing, a digit a is missing. We need to figure out that too. So this question requires a very good understanding of squares and some aspects of number theory. I'm surprised at the level of toughness I'm seeing in this competition. This requires you to be very good at math, which is not generally expected in a normal high school level course. I'll give you 5 minutes to solve this. It shouldn't take more than 5 minutes if you know the concepts. And if you want, you can pause this here, come back and attempt it. Take 5 minutes, pause this, attempt it, try to solve it on your own and come back. Okay, I presume that you tried to solve this on your own and you have a solution by now. I'll explain all the concepts and solve the problem here. What do we have? On left, we have a square. On left, we have a square. We have square of a number. Square of a number. Which means the number on right is a perfect square. Perfect square. What are perfect squares? If you take 25 and multiply it by 25, you will get 625. So this is a perfect square. It's a perfect square. Similarly, this 492 A04 is let us assume it is the square root of this is x, is x times x. So this number, we should be able to write it in this format here, right? So we need to find out what this x is, right? So some of the properties of these squares, if I take 200 times 200, 200, right? So find the final solution, you'll have 4 zeros. And then I multiply 2 by 2, it's 40,000, right? But in the number that it was given to us, we have totally 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 digits. So we need to figure out square of which number gives us a 6-digit number, right? So if I square 200 times 200, if I square 200, I got 5-digit number. If I keep increasing, let me go to 400 times 400. It gives me 16. 1,60,000. So this has 6 digits I'm looking for, but it's not necessarily the same number I'm looking for here. So, and 16,000 is less than 4,92,000, A04. So the square number I'm looking for must be bigger than 400. Let us take 600 times 600. This will be equal to 36. Right. Still, 360,000 is less than 492,000, meaning I can go a little bit more. So let me try 700 times 700, which is 49,000, 490,000. Right. Oh, I'm closer. Say I want a number, a perfect square, which is 492,000 A04. I'm closer right now. If I take 700 times 700, it is 490,000. So the perfect square, or the square root I'm looking for, must be very close to this. We need to look at one more concept when we square numbers, right? If the last digit is 1 and I square it, the last digit will always be 1. If the last digit is 2 and I square it, the last digit will be 4. The last digit is 3 and I square it, the last digit will be 9. If I take 4 and the last digit is 4, if I square it, it's 16. The last digit is 5 times 5, I get 25. Let me, so if I take 6 times 6, I'll get 36. So you're seeing the pattern, right? So the pattern is 1, 4, 6, 5, 6. And if I take 7 times 7, if the last digit is 7, I'll get 49. Again, I'll get 9. If 8 times 8, it will be 64. Okay. And if you can see here, the inner R number we have the last digit as 4. So our number should be closer to 700 and its last digit can either be 2 or 8. So the square root of the number we are looking for is 7. We don't know the middle digit. I'll put it as x, and it can be 2 or 7 x comma 8. There are two numbers possible, right? So we need to figure out what this x is. Okay, so we tested 700 times 700. It is 490,000, which is less than the number we have. Let us test 710 times 710, which will be equal to 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 7, again 0, 7, 49. So the number is 0, 0, 1, 14, 500,000, right? So 710 times 710 is 500,000, which is bigger than the number we are looking for. So the square root of this number should be in between 700 and 710. The number we are looking for should be between 700 and 710. I'll erase this. So we established the first digit of this number. We established two options for the last digit of this number. And we also know that this number should be less than 710. So the final form of this number will look like this. I'll erase this right now to make it more clear. So the final number will be, it will be of the form, it is between 700 and number. We also know that it is less than 710. And we also know that the last digit can either be 2 or 8. Or 8, right? So there are two possible numbers here, 702 or 708. Okay, so I need to explore which of them is the correct square root for this number, right? 702 times 702. I'll take this, right? It's 4, 0, 14, 0, 0, 0, 14, 1, 14. Sorry, I made a mistake here. It should be 14, 149. So this number will be equal to 408 to 49. 702 times 702 is 492,804. Let's take our other option. 708 times 708. The last digit is the same, 6, 56, 0, 0, 0, 56, 5, 49, 4, 6, 12, which is becoming like 500,000, which is not the number we have, which is not the format we have. So it is not possible that 708 is not possible. So only possible option is 702. So I will erase this to make it more clear here. I will erase this to make it more clear. So since this is a perfect square, the only possible option, so 492,000 A04 is a perfect square. Perfect square. Perfect square. The only possible option is is 492 A04 b is equal to 702 times 702, which is equal to 492 804. We established that. Okay, let me be more clear. I'll try to solve this. 702 times 702, right? 4 0 14 0 0 0 14 149 408 492 804. So if I compare, like, we understood what this number is, right? Now let me erase this here. Let me erase this. Four nine two A04 equals 702 times 702. Meaning A equal to 8. We know that A equal to 8. So we established what A is, right? Now I will erase this. So from this we can know that 3 times 230 plus t whole square equal to 702 times 702. 3 into 230 plus t equal to 702. 702. 230 plus t will be equal to 702 divided by 3. This will be equal to 234. We established that. So t is equal to 4. So now we established A equal to 8 and t equal to 4. So from this whole analysis, the whole solution that we got, you can easily see that these are not very straightforward. It required a lot of skill and it requires speed multiplication. See, the entire solution I took 3-digit numbers and I multiplied and got solution for 3-digit multiplication in the process of solving this. So this is the level of math, advanced math, that is expected out of this competitive math. And we also make note that universities are asking, or universities are conducting these tests. Why? Because they want to make sure students, whoever are coming to university level courses where math is taught, like engineering or any science courses, they have to be very much equipped with this level of understanding. Unfortunately, I'm not seeing that when I talk to a lot of high school students around. Not many of them are very good at multiplication or these level of mathematical concepts. And I think it is very important that we invest on students. We don't just rely on whatever is taught in the schools, but invest on advanced math concepts, advanced maths training, even from the middle school level. So this makes it very easy for them to transition into the university. Else what happens is they will be very much happy with all the easy mathematics they're doing, easy level concepts they're doing, because that is being taught at, that's the only thing that is taught at high school level, but they will struggle a lot when they go to advanced courses in the university. Hope you enjoyed all of this. As I mentioned earlier, the aim of this channel is to give exposure to advanced level math for all the students whoever follow my channel, and the next 40 to 40 days I'll be doing the same. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you like the content I'm sharing with you, please like my channel and please subscribe to my channel. And also what you do is, if you have any questions or if you want to talk to me directly about some of the issues you're facing at high school math, or like how you level up your children, please leave some comments in the video. Thank you.